Welcome to Course 1 of 3, Beginner Edition. Learn to build every piece of an AI model from mathematical primitives with 30 hands-on Streamlit apps, all coded and visualized by you, runnable on CPU only, using Python and NumPy. Most AI courses teach you to call model.fit, without understanding the underlying computations. This leaves you unable to debug strange loss curves, view frameworks as opaque black boxes, and results in a portfolio of notebooks, not working apps. The solution is AI Models from Scratch Beginner Edition. Our Scratch-first approach means you write every function yourself. You will build 30 real Streamlit apps, all running on CPU only, with no barrier to entry. You will build 30 working apps, 30 portfolio items, not notebooks. Examples include a gradient descent lab, Backprop Tracer, spam detector, KNN Visualizer, fit visualizer, and the capstone digit guesser, all built with a production-ready 4-file structure. The course is structured into 6 sections and 30 lessons. You'll progress from the math engine and the neuron, through networks, data engineering, and classical ML, concluding with evaluation and your capstone project. This course is built for everyone who builds on software, from software engineers to product managers, data engineers, QA/SREs, engineering managers, and technical writers. You will gain the AI literacy needed for modern development. Discover 6 concrete differences. Every lesson ships a working app. It's built on CPU, by design, forcing practical code. We are Scratch first, framework second, and use a production file structure from day 1. After 30 lessons, you'll be able to implement gradient descent, write robust training loops, debug models, implement backpropagation without libraries, and build classical ML models from raw NumPy. This is the shortest prerequisite list in any serious AI course, requiring comfortable Python programming, basic math like high school algebra, and basic command line skills. No GPU, cloud account, prior AI/ML knowledge, calculus, or PyTorch is needed. This course creates engineers with real technical depth, capable of understanding backpropagation, reading model code, and having meaningful technical conversations with ML teams, as highlighted by our student outcomes. Lesson 30 is your graduation test, building a digit guesser, a full AI pipeline in 200 lines. You will handle data loading, network architecture, a training loop, inference, and a Streamlit UI using only NumPy and Streamlit. Our 4-step loop builds real engineering intuition. First, run it to see the app. Second, understand it by reviewing the code line by line. Third, break it by changing a single parameter. Finally, extend it by shipping a new feature. Repeat for all 30 lessons. Start building real AI today with lifetime access to all 30 lessons. You'll get 30 hands-on applications, 6 structured sections in a production layout, a complete setup guide, foundations for future courses, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Build AI from the ground up, with no black boxes, no frameworks, and no excuses. Get 30 lessons, 30 portfolio apps, 6 sections, all runnable on CPU. Enroll now at systemdr.com.